Check out this Tahoe that I put the headers on. Got to take it to the exhaust shop. Got them in there. Got the nice spark plug wires on that motherfucker. They heat. God damn it! Ended up having to put the billet one on there. Bet if I drive that motherfucker, I get some oil rotating around that motherfucker. I get shit jumping in my make. What? Got to take it to the exhaust shop. Got them in there. Got the nice spark plug wires on that motherfucker. They heat for them motherfuckers so they don't touch the headers. We got the billet metal. The billet metal heater connection, metal shit up in there. We did that. So we fixed them. He ain't got no leaks. This motherfucker got 26, so I can get right up under here. All that wet right there was from the shit leaking. You know, up the oil pressure, get you some antifreeze in this motherfucker. Basically just took it for a little test drive, make sure everything's straight, make sure everything's good, so when they get in their car, they can just get in their car and go. They ain't gotta worry about this and that. Get every customer satisfied and shit like that. That's a wrap for this Chevy Tahoe right here, for this part of this shit right here right now.